All right, well, this was the ultimate test here. As I said, I have no problem getting the car from the street up here out of the gutter and up to this point. And as you can see here, um, with that Y strap, yeah, actually have that right there. Now, I am a little tight right here, so I put down this little piece of plastic. Once the car comes up about, I don't know, another foot maybe, this should be clear, because look, and that ultimately was the design right there. Look where that lift is in relationship to the winch. So that should be perfect. All right, well, we're gonna kind of pull it up and get it eyeballed here to the ramps. So probably not gonna film that until the car is like right on it. So as always, stay tuned. All right, well, we got it up on the ramps on the front, and this thing is, yeah, see now, look at that. Plenty of clearance, and yeah, that thing is sitting perfect. And hopefully no more of that. So yeah, I don't see this thing moving at all. And we'll get into that a little bit more later, because I actually redid these bolts a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker, and yeah, with epoxy. So it's got red head T7A or T7 plus epoxy. So they're not going anywhere. Anyway, let's pull the back of this up the rest of the way. There we go. You're good. It's just the ramps. Go left a little. No, my left, right. Sorry. Okay, that's good. Oh, cable's getting. All right, brake.
I'm on.
Let me get the cable adjusted. It's rubbing, so hang on. Yeah,
Do we need
cable
to back
all
it down?
spooled here for some reason. No, I'll do it. If you're just on the brake, I'll get it
Okay.
adjusted. Yeah, sorry about that. This thing got a little out of whack. I didn't want to flatten the cable, but yeah, we're pretty much right there on the edge. So this last little pull should bring it all the way up. Brake.
What's that?
That was coming off of the,
Oh, the ramps. Okay.
yeah. So brake.
Okay.
All right, well, yeah, that's pretty much onto the rack. I might have to cinch this up a little bit to get it up like the next, I don't know, maybe 2 feet, but I should probably just push it, because once it's like this, it's fine. So anyway, that's a good final test. This is what I needed, and yeah, I'll probably have to, wear gloves and get this thing spooled back up. But yeah, once again, that is my Badland ZXR5000 floor winch in my garage for pulling vehicles up like this one. Hopefully this will be maybe the only time I'll need to do this, and we'll be driving it up on the ramps shortly. So like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Yeah, just a little side note and some bonus footage. Yeah, I think what I'll do is maybe cinch up that little Y strap for the Corvette. That way I can get the car a little bit closer. But as it is extended out, as you can see, I made it all the way up to the flat spot on the race ramps. So no problem, just pushing the car all the way in, calling it a day. Very happy. So later. How's the top back there?
Hmm?
How's the top back there?
Oh, you're fine. You got lots of room.
Okay. Hasn't been up there for a while, so
I know. We're good.
just making sure it hasn't been on that setting in quite some time.
Lots of room.
Well, it won't be won't be as tight as it was when it was a gasser and didn't have a
that's true.
motor and a transmission in it.
That's true.
How's the back there by the roll up?
Perfectly fine. You can get my head in between.
Okay. Well, I got whatever.
Okay, I do have plenty of room. Woo!
I only got like that much more.
Yeah.
And there we go. Yeah, I was used to where this thing sat, and now I'm not. It's been a bit. It's been a minute. All right. Well, hey, it's back. It's up. Now I can get underneath, do a little tidy up work, finish up a couple little things, and yeah, and then get this thing ready to be fired up. So, once again, see you on the next one.